First, come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then right hand side you can see search button. Enter your model number of your motherboard X870E AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 and then hit enter. Then click to product. So slow down, you can see. Okay, there are two version 1.2 and 1.0 and 1.1. So download, if you are using any, so no worry, all the driver installations process same. Then click to support. Then you can see this is select OS, which is you using Windows 10 and 11. There are two operating systems there. So if you using Windows 10, so this is also, you can follow this, watch this video and follow the installations process almost same, 100% same. You just okay. Audio, and click to download. You can see here the download. Okay, I already downloaded. I show you. This is, you can see 165 size and this is 165. Just single click, and this is exe, means this is main setup of your driver. So this is, just double click, you can extract and then install, but this is so lengthy process. You can install directly, just double click it, automatically extract. Now you show you, then click to yes. Now this is, you can see this is extract. Okay, it is automatically closed, means this is completed. Shape set. Okay, so download this one, just click download, wait few seconds, it will start here. Single click open, then double click to exe. Yes, this is done, then close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. Just click to download. Download in progress. I already downloaded. This is, just double click to exe, then click yes. You can see your LAN driver Gigabyte. Then done, it is closed. Bluetooth driver. So install latest. Click to download. Double click Bluetooth exe. Then yes. Then close it. VLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. Okay, so you can see here Wi-Fi driver Windows 11 64-bit. Just click to download. So it is completed. Just single click. Now you can see here Wi-Fi driver. Then it is done and close it. See here USB driver. Okay, ITE USB driver. Windows 10 and 11 both supported. Just click to download. After downloaded, it will show here. Otherwise, you can directly go to drive folder, download folder. Double click to exe, and then yes. USB connector. So it is done and closed.